Light. It must be Nvidia.
We're going to roll the animation as Nvidia, a $4 trillion market cap, which no company's ever done, Jim.
Well, look, it's the evolution of hardware. It is. If it were just AI, generative AI, that'd be one thing. But it's accelerated computing. People don't give that enough credit. And I think this time is not software time. It's not Exxon's time. It's the idea that we have leader of the world in hardware. Remember, there's a ton of software in Nvidia, and there's nobody that's near them. Nobody's near them.
Can we take this moment to basically assert that the AI trade is going to drown out tariff noise and trade uncertainty?
Well, the way that the president breaks stories, you can't drown them out. I mean, because he could come out right now and say, he has decided that Australia, one of their greatest allies ever, Australia's they have to pay. And you're saying, well, pay for what? So, yeah, he can change the discourse, but I think that what this is the individual investor is a little too exuberant here, but the individual investor is saying, I'm going to use the phrase, this is what the president should be. We're number one. We're number one. And it doesn't matter about the tariffs. We're number one. The copper tariff I thought was crazy. I mean, I called one of the people in the administration and said, what did copper do? I mean, it doesn't matter.
You know what, this line from Mizuho today on the pharma tariffs made me chuckle. Makes about as much sense as anything this administration has said.
Well, there you go. It's not scaring individuals, it's scaring institutions. Individuals are either pro-Trump or just think, you know what, Trump's a distraction from me making a lot of money in Nvidia.
Right. But do we believe retail has an edge on institutional money? Or is it just hope?
Retail recognizes that the Dow was at 1,000 in 1982, and now it's at 45,000. And if they had just stayed in and stayed long, if they had owned Nvidia and not traded it, then they would be very rich. And that's it. Look, Nvidia made people rich like no stock I've ever seen. It's a retail stock. The institutions got out of Nvidia years ago.
I know, but couldn't we have had that same kind of conversation about JDS Uniphase or you name it?
You mean just don't sell us?
Yes.
It then became just don't sue us?
Yes.
Look, here's the difference. Sell some Nvidia. You never got to sell any JDS. You can sell some Nvidia and go buy, buy whatever. You go to Amazon. Here, this idea. Sell some Nvidia and a fraction, just to get your position down to 5%. We've done this at the club. And then go to Jassy. Notice I don't call it Amazon anymore. And look at this right now. Autocracy by Ann Applebaum. Who else has that? One of the things that's scary is you go look at somebody else's Amazon page and you see what they really buy because it's offered right up the top.
Yes.
And you just be like, did you really buy that?
Right.
Did you really buy that Metamucil?
They know you, Jim. That's true.
You have a problem with Uggs? What are you doing there?